Hey, it's Joey with Sun Outdoors, and we have seen it all in RV cribs. First timers, full timers, and now we got the weekend warriors, Ben and Claire. You ready to do this?
We're ready.
Let's go. I'm calling it. You guys are going to turn into the full-time RVers.
Yeah, well, that's the goal. So the key with ours is with this nice open concept. Helps everything flow better. You know, you got larger campers with the slide outs. As you can see, at least up here, there's no slide outs. So trying to maximize our work area is very important. So here we have our kitchen area. Claire wanted to change it up a little bit, give it some variety. She actually went out and got, they're just stick-on sheets of the backsplash. Put it right up, got some trim.
I'm going to be honest, you got me. I thought it was a tile, and Claire was up there putting the grout and everything.
It's actually just a stick-on sheet. Here we have our all-in-one workspace, dining area, relax area. Welcome to the master bath and bedroom in here. A lot of campers will have a little small bathroom off to the side. Here we got a nice walk-through bathroom, full-size shower, toilet and storage on the other side, a little sink and medicine cabinet.
Tell us, how's this weekend warrior life been so far?
You know, we both grew up camping, and it was kind of the same thing. Going somewhere on the weekend, exploring new places, and then having the camper has really broadened our horizon. We've been able to extend our season longer. We can go, you know,
mid-October,
May to mid-October, because you know you got a heater in the camper, you got AC, you got your amenities, so you can really extend your season. Weather's not really going to be an issue. I know before we got the camper with a tent, that could be some weekends were struggles. You know, big rainstorm would move in, and you'd be either sitting in the tent all day or driving around, sitting in the truck all day because there's not much else you could do. So, yeah, being on the weekends has been fun, but we're trying to, you know, pursue the full-time lifestyle, or even just right now, at least for this summer, expanding to longer trips. I mean, this was definitely one of our longer trips at a private resort. We've stayed at state parks for a week or so at a time in Maine, which has been really nice because that, you know, the longer you stay, the better immersed you can get.
You living together in a single dorm.
Mm-hmm.
Compare that to now this luxurious living in a mansion of an RV.
Yeah, so it was your freshman year, my sophomore year in college, and I had a single room. We called it Harry Potter's closet. It was, I mean, not much bigger than it. And we shared this single room together, bed, mini fridge, and a desk. And that's all it was. Not much room to change your mind in it. And yeah, over the years, and then finally ending up in this, it's definitely, you know, we've got space to move around in this at least.
So Claire, question for you. Are you ready for this full-time RV life?
Absolutely. I think I'm the one that kind of pushed the whole agenda, really. I've always really wanted to travel, so I'm very happy that I have gotten him on board finally.
Patience is the name of the game. You know, we put many years in a tent, and this is, you know, we're finally able to step up to some hard sides and tires underneath us for camping. So it's been a long time coming. And then just work towards it. You know, you're always working towards something, you're always learning something. This has been RV Cribs, Sun Outdoors. Thank you for coming along on the ride.
Hey, that's my job. Ben and Claire, thank you guys. Have a good day, all right?
Thank you, we appreciate it.
So many different ways to RV, whether it's full-time, part-time, or even a weekend warrior like Ben and Claire are. Let me know how you RV, comment below, and while you're there, click the link in the description and let me know if we should come check your RV out and be featured on the next RV Cribs.